Okay, so now we're on our way to Cracker Barrel in good old Milford. You can film me driving if you want. And I'm just driving on around the bend. And I'm driving with my joystick. And my joystick, I use it to accelerate, brake, and steer. It's made by a company called EMC. They're out of Maine, the state. And I don't think there's anything else called Maine, is there? Anyway. Now I'm going to turn right. You'll notice the joystick moved right. Now I'm getting ready to... Nope, gotta stop. So I'm pulling back on the joystick. That's how I brake. And now over here, if you look up here where the touchpad is, this is how I turn the turn signal on. So now I'm going to turn right. But now we got to wait for the traffic. So you could show Lowe's or whatever you want. And now I'm going to pull out. State Route 28. We're headed westbound on State Route 28. Not much to really see. Now we're going to go take 275 going southbound.